Hey everyone, here is what is moving today. Big US stocks moved up a tiny bit. A measure of market worry eased by almost 5%. The US dollar also saw a small gain. Gold had a notable day, up almost 2%. US inflation cooled slightly to 3.4% in July, easing rate hike pressure and looking supportive for markets, while Goldman Sachs plans to acquire ETF provider Neos. Supermicrocomputer led today's market, gaining about 19% after reporting strong earnings and a confident outlook. Technology was the strongest performing sector today, climbing about 1.5%. Materials finished on the weaker side, down about 1.25%. Across the board, 8 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors saw gains, with only 3 ending the day lower. Just one of the Magnificent Seven finished higher today. Meta was the biggest mover, down about 3%. The CPI was up about 3% for the year. Q2 was today's biggest mover, gaining more than 2.5%. Equities edged up overall, led by tech and semiconductor funds. SpaceX traded about 166 million shares today, quite a day for it. Supermicro and Intel also saw heavy volume, with most of the busiest names rising. Nebius NV reported today, beating estimates. Momentum also beat yesterday. Home Depot's results are due next week, and TJX goes ex-dividend tomorrow. Today's Treasury yields saw the 5-year at 4.38%, the 10-year at 4.68%, unchanged today, and the 30-year at 5.25%. The junk bond fund was up about 0.25% as credit outperformed mixed US Treasuries. The US dollar index firmed slightly today. No individual currency saw a significant move. Looking at global markets, Asian markets saw a mixed picture overnight, and in Europe, markets closed mostly lower. The biggest move we saw outside the US was Korea's Kospi, which rose about 4%. Oil eased about 0.5% today, while corn surged about 4%. Broader markets saw copper ease, but precious metals, other grains, and natural gas all gained. Bitcoin dipped slightly today, trading around $63,000. Ethereum held steady, while MicroStrategy shares saw a modest decline. Gold above 4,605 suggests people want to protect their money. If the VIX drops below 12, things might feel even calmer. This month, 3 names on the model's watch list are averaging up about 3% since entry. That's our update for today. If this briefing helped, a like or a subscribe helps us continue.